These are the mid-rise elevators at the US Bank Center, downtown Seattle, Washington. These are Fujitec's. $21. That's good enough. One of them just went into nudge mode. $21. Down to, oh, A? Oh, we can't go to A. Let's go to lobby, I guess. Get a cab view. Beautiful cabs. Absolutely beautiful. I love the shape of it too. Turn around too. Let's get a different one. $21. Man. Oh, these are awesome. My ears don't pop on this one though. Here's your custom Fujitec Vanity fixtures. Just a regular Fujitec Vanity call cancel button. Get a look at these cabs. Awesome. Amazing. All right. Go over here. There it goes, and that's it.